Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan, founder of Driving Academy. In today's video, I want to share with you a few different ways on how Driving Academy can actually pay you. That's right. Most of the time, people are going to pay Driving Academy to get our services, but we are so happy to share the wealth that we're going to show you two different ways on how you can actually get paid by Driving Academy itself. So way number one, and the most common way that people get paid at Driving Academy is you can work for us. So we're always hiring, we're always looking for people. So that means we're always looking for instructors, examiners, people who can work our office staff, who can help other people enroll into becoming a CDL holder as well. And way number two, that's less common but less known, and I want to make sure that you're aware of it, is with our referral program. So anyone, whether you're a student or not a student, can enroll into our referral program. And the way it works is we can pay you $100 for every closed referral that we get. So how does that whole process work? So that means that if you have a buddy or a friend or somebody that you know that wants to get their CDL license and you help them come to Driving Academy and they actually sign up as a student, once they're paid in full, just give us a call and say, hey, I referred this person. We have to make sure that he also agrees that you referred him, and then we're going to pay you a crisp $100 bill. So Mr. Benjamin is going to go right into your pocket, and this is our thank you for actually helping us get to our mission, because our mission is helping 1 million people get on the road to freedom. What's more free than driving where you want to go and making more money while you're doing it? And that's how we help people get their CDL license, to actually get themselves on the road to freedom. So if you're willing to help us do that, we are willing to pay you part of it, right? So $100 is a very easy way to get it. All you have to do is now bring people on board, and once they're paid in full with our school, we are more than happy to pay you that $100, and that's a great way where Driving Academy can actually pay you to get your CDL license. Thanks. I'll see you soon. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.